Hapade, thank you for choosing Nissan Guam. One more important thing you need to know about your new Nissan is that it does not come with the traditional spare tire. Instead, it comes equipped with a tire repair kit designed to help you get back on the road quickly and safely. This helps reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, improves fuel efficiency, and helps keep costs down, while still providing a reliable solution for most flat tires. Inside the kit, you'll find a sealant and an air compressor, and if you need to repair a tire, here's how you use it. First, locate your tire repair kit in the trunk area. Next, remove the spare tire cover and you'll find these two objects. You can find easy to follow instructions labeled on the compressor. You'll find this sticker on the compressor, which you should remove and place on the windshield as a reminder that sealant has been used. Next, pull out the hose and power plug and remove the caps from both the sealant bottle and the compressor. Then, attach the sealant bottle by screwing it clockwise onto the compressor. After that, you remove the valve stem cover and you connect the hose to the valve stem and make sure it's tightened so that it holds air to the tire valve. Now you'll locate your accessory outlet, plug in the power cord, and then start your car. Turn on the compressor to begin inflating the tire. The sealant will flow into the tire while it inflates. Once the tire reaches its recommended pressure, turn the compressor off and disconnect it. After that, drive your vehicle for about 10 minutes at a safe speed, no greater than 35 miles per hour, to allow sealant to spread evenly inside the tire. Then, stop and check your tire pressure again, making sure it stays at the specified level. This is a temporary repair to help you safely reach our service center. We recommend visiting our service department as soon as possible. Now you know how to repair your own tire. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for choosing Nissan Guam and enjoy your new Nissan.